Hello, everybody. I'm Malisha. Today, in this episode, I'll be taking you through how to send a signature request using an electronic signature application. Let's get started. Now, I know everyone must have told you that it is super easy to get your documents sent and signed using an electronic signature application. But has anyone really dared to show you how exactly it works? Don't worry, that's exactly what I'm going to do in this episode. I'll be taking you through a step by step process of how to send a document using an electronic signature application. And for the platform's purpose, we have chosen eSign, which is a leading electronic signature application in the market today. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So what you're looking at right now is eSign, which is an electronic signature application. Once you sign up for eSign, you can use your credentials and log into eSign, and this is the screen that you will be exposed to in the beginning. Now, to send a document request or to send a signature request, you have to start from this blue button right here that says New Sign Request. So once you click on it, you will be able to see that the signature request process has been broken down into four simple steps, and I'll be taking you through step by step. The first step involves browsing a document and adding it to the electronic signature application, and in this case, it's eSign, of course. So you can either choose a document which is already existing in your laptop or your desktop, or you can also choose a document from your OneDrive account or even your SharePoint account. So for this demonstration purpose, I'll be using a document from my laptop. So I'll click on Browse and select the relevant document. So once you have selected the document and uploaded it, you will be getting a little bit of a preview. This is just to make sure that you have uploaded the right document into eSign. So once you're done with this step, you can simply move on to step number 2 by clicking the next button. And this is the step where you will have to add your signatory, the recipient from whom you want the signature from in this document. So you can add the name of the person and you can add the email of the person. So now I've added the name and email, and that's about it. And if you want to add more signatories, of course you can do it by clicking this add more button. For this demonstration purpose, let's limit it to one. And once you're done here, you can move to step number 3 by clicking the next button. So now it's time to add your signature stamps into this document so that the one who has to sign will know exactly where to sign. So in Nivea Sign, we have signature stamp, initial stamp, date sign, name, email, text, comments. So from all these signature stamps, you can choose what is relevant for your document and add it into your document just by a drag and drop motion. So I need a signature stamp, so I'll drag and drop it into the relevant place. And you can also adjust it in the way you want to fit right into your document. And also, I will need a date sign stamp as well. So once you're done here, you can move on to step number 4 by clicking the next button. So now you have reached the final step, and as you can see, all you have to do is make sure that you have done everything right with your document and go ahead and hit send. And just like that, your document has been sent to the relevant signatory for signature. And just like that, you have sent your first signature request through eSign. Super easy, isn't it? Now, this means it doesn't matter wherever you are and at whatever time it may be, you can send documents and get them signed on time. So just like this, I will be taking you through every single important features of electronic signature applications, like how to sign your documents, how to track your documents, but not in this episode though. Let's break it down into a series of episodes, so stay tuned where we will be exploring more into e-signatures. Until then, it's bye.